Hi, I'm Susan, and today we're going to learn the clipping tool in the EDO Next Designer. First, place an image on your yearbook page. Select the image. Then select the clip button that appears in the quick menu. Please note that if you clip a photo, a new image will be created and will replace the one with the background. If you need to use the image again in the book, or aren't sure if you want to keep the clipped image, download the image and make a copy of it first. This way you can use the non-clipped image if you wish. Once you select the clip option, the clipping window will appear on your screen. It will automatically outline the image with a yellow line to mark the section of the image that you may want to keep. It also displays a preview on the right side. You will see all of the clipping tool options displayed on the top left menu, giving you the ability to customize your image. To remove sections, simply use the red marker for those you want to remove. Use the green marker for the parts you want to keep. The yellow marker is used to outline hair strands. The scalpel lets you cut parts of your image, and the hand button allows you to move the image around. The eraser tool can be used to erase the green and red marks that you want to remove. There are also options to change the background color, adjust color, and you can add a drop shadow to your image. For more advanced edits, use the menu on the bottom right to adjust the brush size around your selection to make the edge softer and fine-tune your image. For more help on using the clipping tool, click the detailed tutorial button, which will show you all of the tools and key commands. Once you're done making your edits and would like to save the changes, click the blue Done button at the top toolbar to see the completed image. Thanks for choosing EDO Next for your yearbook designing software.